For those considering studying in Exeter, allow us to introduce Blockyard Apartments Student Accommodation. It is an ideal residence with numerous studio apartments, making it a student hotspot. Each studio is generously spacious and well lit with large windows. Enjoy the comfort of plush beds accompanied by overhead cabinets for your belongings. Additional storage is provided by a capacious wardrobe for accessories. A dedicated study desk equipped with free high-speed Wi-Fi ensures a conducive environment for completing assignments. The kitchen is fully equipped with everything from an oven to an induction cooktop, allowing you to prepare delectable dishes. Moreover, it is conveniently located near institutions like Exeter College and the University of Exeter. Blockyard Apartments is a popular choice among students. Explore culinary delights with Thai food from eFood Thai Taste or sushi from Sushi Gali Exeter. For a friendly night out on weekends, you could visit the Duke of York Inn or the Monkey Suit. Reach tourist attractions like Northern Hay Gardens or the medieval X Bridge easily by taking a bus from Bamful Street. Take a step closer to your dream by booking your stay at Blockyard Apartments Exeter through amberstudent.com.